guys, and welcome back. It's me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum, and it's still Christmas. Yesterday I made my lastminute.com Christmas cake, and today I was thinking what we're doing for Christmas. What are you baking for Christmas? What are you having for Christmas dinner? It's Christmas season and I've been out and about. I'm just back. In fact, before I went out, I made this new recipe, came back, now I'm finishing off the video. That's how quick and easy vegan cooking is, you see. This new recipe was inspired by the Christmas chestnut. What should I do with the chestnut? So I decided to make a chestnut and mushroom pastry bake. But before I get into it, please do me a favour. Go to YouTube and press subscribe, please. Pretty please. So guys, let's get into it. My chestnut and mushroom pastry bake.
Plains, I am glad I'm not colorblind. Blue the sea, ocean deep, no rocks will ever come between. Swirling ripples of this loving kind. Red and blue make solid brown, nothing natural from the ground. Rainbow colors in the sky, begin to end, it takes us high. Appreciate diversity, we'll overcome adversity. We all have rainbows deep inside. Open up, it will reside. Appreciate diversity, we'll overcome adversity. Like the yellow of the sun makes the grass go green and strong, and the pale blue of the sky.
Don't forget to spread the Dijon mustard on before you add your mushroom and your chestnuts. With our pastry bake, I'm gonna wrap it, put it in the freezer, and we're gonna eat it on Christmas Day. If you can cook things in advance before Christmas Day, it just cuts down on all the big cooking all in one go, and you won't be so mash up at the end of the day. That's what I'm trying to not be mash up, because I'm always mash up on Christmas Day. I'm back again with some more Christmas goodies, probably the trimmings this time. Extra bits and pieces that you can add with your festive food. And don't forget, 7-day sugar-free challenge starts in Veganuary on the 1st of January. Alright guys, look, I'm gonna be back again with some more Christmas goodies. I will see you later. Don't forget to subscribe.
Rainbow lover.